Hey, this is a sponsored review, and I want to thank this brand so much because they sent this. This is a anti-splash, slow drinking water dish for your dog. They wanted us to try it out. I've got 3 little Maltese dogs, and this little guy right here, every time he drinks out of a regular bowl, I don't know if he gulps his water or it's just the way that he drinks. He kind of chokes a little bit afterwards or coughs a little bit afterwards. So this one is stainless steel. That's great. That makes it washable. And it's got the little silicone pieces on the bottom, so that's gonna make it not move around. And then this is BPA free and it's plastic. So what you're gonna do is put this inside, fill it up with water. It's gonna raise it to the little silicone stopper right there, and then the water will be in the middle, so when your dog is drinking, it's slow coming up, plus it's not gonna splash everywhere. So let me fill it up and show you how it works. She was thirsty. But again, I love that I can put that in the dishwasher. It's stainless steel. It's also just one piece, the little plastic part that floats, and the bottom, so there's no extra areas where mold can grow. It's really easy to clean. When it's time to take it out, if you can't get it, there's a little hook that comes with it to help you pull it up out of there. And you can see when she's drinking, she's not splashing everywhere. Right, there's my little guy getting a drink. I just like that because he doesn't choke afterwards. Slows him down a little bit. It's great for travel. You can take it in the car or wherever you are. Really easy to use. Nice size, 1.5 liters. So I can fill it up, and if I'm gone all day, they're gonna have water. So I highly recommend these if you have a dog that gulps or plays in their water or spills it everywhere. Give this one a try. It works really well.